everybody, it's Santa321, and this is like one of the fourth or fifth times I've tried to make this video, but I don't care. So, right now we're heading to Hallmark in the car. We're stopping at a red light. And, I'm possibly getting Webkinz clothing, and if I don't find anything I like, I'm gonna go to the this other Hallmark, because they have the stamp card, and I have like already 8 stamps on it, and if I get 2 more, I get a free Webkinz. And so, yeah. So now we're just driving, and this is my wonderful mom.
Hello, wonderful world.
So, yeah, and she has a Webkinz too. Whoa, it got all dark. That was weird. Oh, let's do it again. That was cool. We're in a tunnel. And so, she has a Webkinz too. So, Littlekinz, she's got the Littlekinz mouse, and so we have to get another one before her Mother's Day, because I got it for her for Mother's Day. And we made a deal where, I'll take care of her Webkinz pets, and she just keeps assistant animals. So, yeah, so that's pretty much about it. So, I'll talk to you later, and I'll tell you what I got. Bye! W-Paw! I can try to get it. There we go.